Alright guys, right of course as we're trying to record. Alright, so we are doing a new house on the channel today. This is a bi-weekly client. I've already cut their grass once. It was actually fairly long, especially in the back. So we're going to start with some poop scooping, and then we will move to cutting the grass. Even in the front here, it's not that long. So I think it should be a pretty good cut. We got that ready. I'm just going to go ahead and pull my lawnmower out so I can get this guy on. We'll be putting it on the ground actually, so. Alright. There we go. Get this set up for the day. So yeah, this client is a bi-weekly client. This will be their last cut and scoop of the month. And then we'll be invoicing them after this to see if they want to do another month of bi-weekly, which would be 2 cuts a month, 2 scoops a month. This is some pepper spray for dogs, dog coyotes, whatever you want to call them. Just need our rake. Just gotta put my whip. In here. Close her up. We'll leave that for now. And we'll get starting to scoop the back. Yeah, as you can see, the grass isn't that bad in the front. She does want me to scrape out the weeds though from the cracks here. So we have a special tool that we'll be doing for that. Yeah, we'll see how the back is. Just check. He does like to poop along the edges, so we're just gonna make our way in.